What's going on, stackers? So this video is all about the PrintinProfits low content book publishing course, and I have a little update about the course coming up at the end of the week. Now, if you're new here, my name's Paddy, and every single day I like to bring out videos teaching you how to make money with nothing more than your internet connection and your laptop. So go hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. So the PrintinProfits course, what is the change coming up at the end of the week? So it's a price change. So at the minute, if we scroll down to the bottom just to here, you can see the current price is £49.99. Now this is the last time you're going to see this price. I am going to be putting up the price to £79.99, and in a minute I'm going to explain why I am actually doing that. So this is your last chance to get in at this price. You won't see this price again anytime soon. So why am I updating the price? Why am I going to charge more? Well, it's all come down to my students and what they believe the course is actually worth. So over the weekend I polled my students within the PrintinProfits course, made a little poll asking them what they think the course should be worth. So I put, hey stackers, I have something I want to ask you. So I've been recently thinking about updating the price of the course because people keep telling me to. Now the original price was always going to be £99.99 or £99, but I wanted to have students go through the course and get them results before I charge that price, which my students are actually doing. Then I put, now that we also have the over-the-shoulder trainings, one's coming next week as well, or this week now, and a great community here, what do you think the course is worth? Choose from the answers below and leave a comment on why you have chosen that price. Now I put £99.99, £49.99, £149.99 and £79.99 as well. And as you can see, the majority of the votes, that's 12, 13, 14, 15 people believe I should be charging £99.99 for the course. So what I decided to do, instead of putting the price straight up to £99.99, I've decided to go with £79.99. So that way you're still getting a lot of value for your money. So that is going to be the price. The price is going to £79.99 at the end of the week on Sunday the 19th. So if you've been on the fence, come and grab it quick before the price goes up. Again, you have till the end of the week to get it at £49.99. Now students are getting results with the course. As you can see here, one of my students, this was her second month, she made $712. And then this was another one of my students who was previously doing KDP and low content books, and as you can see, they bought the course just here, implemented everything, and look, sales explosion within a month of implementing his teachings, and she earned that much within 30 days. So the course does get results, there's no doubt about it. And you also get access to this group just here, along with the private group chat as well. So remember, if you have been interested, come and grab a copy, or come and become, nope, I can't even get my words out. Come and join and become part of the community. That's it. That's what I was trying to say. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, go and hit subscribe and hit the little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. That being said, I've been Paddy, this has been Stacking Profit, and I'll see you again soon.